Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by creating an account and securing it. Enable two-factor authentication to protect your work. Next, install Git and set your user name and user email so commits attribute correctly. Then generate an SSH key and add the public key to GitHub to avoid repeatedly entering passwords. Once done, test the connection with SSH-Git at GitHub. Com to confirm access. This sets a safe, authenticated foundation so you can push and you clone the project to work locally, which gives you the full history and files. Create a named branch for your change so the main branch stays stable. This supports review and rollback. Make focused edits, then stage specific files with git add and write descriptive commit messages explaining why, not just what. Once you have a series of commits, run git pull rebase to integrate upstream changes, resolve conflicts deliberately, and prepare a clean push for a pull request. You open a pull request as the formal handoff for review. Explain the intent and how to test it so reviewers can act quickly. Address requested changes by committing fixes or using git commit amend, then push updates to the same branch to keep history tidy. After approvals, merge via the chosen strategy and delete the branch to avoid clutter. Then git fetch and git pull to sync locally. If something breaks, recreate the issue locally. Run git bisect to find the bad commit and fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.